Hi friends, it's Miss Bugden, and it's that time of the week again. It is time for the counting jar. So this week, I collected a bunch of different writing utensils from around my house. So I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And mathematicians always double count. So I'm going to double count by pointing to each writing tool as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make an equivalent set. I have a bunch of coins. I'm going to make a group of 9 coins to match my 9 writing utensils. There's a lot of different ways that I can do that, and I think I'm going to match them up. So each writing tool has a coin friend, so I can make sure that they're the same amount. I'll move my camera down so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to spread them out a little bit so that I don't skip any. I'm going to make sure that every pen has a coin friend. Go. Making sure that every pen has a coin friend. There we go. I almost gave one of them too. That's why you want to spread them out if you do it this way. There we go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 coins and 9 writing tools. This week, we're adding something new to the counting jar. We are going to record the amount of objects in our counting jar in a counting jar book. So, let me move my pens over and move my coins over. Miss Bugden collected some paper. You might have paper that looks like this at home. You might have some lined paper. You might have colored paper. It doesn't really matter. You might have a stapler that you can staple the paper together. I can't find mine right now, so I'm not going to staple. If you have one, great. If not, that's okay. But you're going to want to collect some paper because we're going to be doing this a lot, so you can have them all together. I have a little clip that I'm just going to clip at the top of my paper so that it stays together. You might have something like this or something different, and if not, that's okay. You can just keep the paper together. So I'm going to write on the front of my book, I'm going to write counting jar book because we're going to be doing this a lot. I can use one of my writing tools that I just collected. It's going to look upside down for you for a minute, I think, but I'll hold it up when I finish. Counting jar book. And I'm going to write my name. By Ms. Bugden. Here's my counting jar book. Counting jar book by Miss Bugden. And you can feel free to add stickers to it, add smiley faces to it, add anything that makes you happy. I'll work on mine a little bit later, but for right now, I'm going to put a smiley face. I really like butterflies, so I'm going to put a butterfly. And you can do whatever you want on your book because you are the one who is illustrating and working on your book. It's yours to decide. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another piece of paper and I'm going to record how many objects were in my jar. I remember that there was 9, but I'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's a lot of different ways that you can record. You could draw out pictures of the writing tools if you want to. That might take a while, but you can do that. Or you can just use a shape. Mathematicians oftentimes use a shape to represent something else. So I think I'm going to do that today. So let me see. I have a pencil. There we go. So I don't have to use one of my writing tools. So there are 9 writing tools, and I'm going to show that by drawing 9 circles on this paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's okay to go down to another line. 8, 9. These circles don't look exactly like what I counted, but that's okay. The amount is the same. I'm going to double count to make sure that there's 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 writing tools in my counting jar. If you want to, you can write what you counted. So I counted writing tools, and I'm going to sound that out the best I can with the different sounds I hear. Let's see. Right. I know that's T-top. Ooh. Ooh. And a lot of the letters we haven't learned yet. But if there are sounds that you hear, you can write those down. So I counted 9 writing tools. The last thing I need to do is write the number 9. And you might say, Miss Bugden, I don't know how to write that number. There are different places that you can find this number. You can look on a calendar, if you have a calendar in your house. You might have a number chart. You might be able to use your parents' phone to look for the number 9 in their calendar or on the computer. I'm going to show you how to write their number 9 right now. Circle and a line. That's how you make the number 9. So this is what the first page of my counting book looks like. Really simple. I counted 9 writing tools and I wrote the number 9. Next time, we might record on another page what we're counting in our counting jar next. Have fun counting the objects in your counting jar, finding an equivalent set to match, and recording them in your counting book. I look forward to seeing what you count. Have fun.